Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's tutorial is all about how to create a custom view in SharePoint. Whenever we create a new document library in SharePoint automatically creates one and only one view that can show us all of the information in the library. The view is called all document. It is the from view you can see here, and it includes all columns that present in the library. You get to see the icon, you get to see the name, modified by resource type, etc. So think that all document view is your starting point for every other view which you want to create. So if you want to create a view, then you have to click on this settings and go to the library settings, and scrolling down there is option create view. I'm clicking on it and it will open a page. Here you can choose, there are so many views, you can type of views you can see here: standard view, calendar view, datasheet view, Gantt view, and there is option that is all documents also. You can start to create your view from here. So first thing, you can start from the existing one, or you can click on this and you can start your view. So I'm clicking on, I prefer the all documents, so I am clicking on this and it will open a page. And the first thing which you have to do, that we have to provide a name for this view. I'm giving documents only. Only is signifies that it is a filter view. If I want to make it sorting view, then I have to give this name by documents or by owner or something else. So I want to create a filter view, so I'm giving this name documents only. There is a default option. If you want to make it default view, then you can click on this checkbox. I am not doing this. So again, the next point is view audience. You can, if you want to make it personal just for you, then you can click on this personal view, create a personal view, or otherwise you can create a public view. So I'm choosing the public one. And there is a next option, that is column. Here you can see all columns are which is present in this library. You can see here there is another also so many columns which is present. If you want to show in your library, make it so, then you can click on this checkbox and it will show in your library. So here in this you can renumber this column also, like I am this choosing that one, it's 4, and it will automatically reshuffle it and renumber the next one 3. Again I am doing, which was like previous. So in the next column, which is a short, if you want to short this column, then you can choose here. I'm just leaving this because I don't need it, because it's a filter view. Natural order to sort of all documents is by name. Okay, I'm going to leave this column because I don't need it. And next option, there is filter option. In the filter option, there is an option show all item in the view. If you want to click, I'm clicking on this because it's showing the all item, but I'm choosing the next one, show item only when the following is true. I'm there is an option and I have to choose one column from here. I'm choosing the I'm choosing the resource type, and here is the option that is equal to. I'm click on this is equal to, and here I'm giving the name document. You have to be sure that this name is as equal as your item which you have given in your library, in your column. So it would be same, otherwise it will not showing this view. So after this, there are lots of options also. There is a tabular view, group by, total, style, folders, item limit, mobile. So in the group by, if you want to create a short view, then you can choose from here. There is so many options. You can group this, you can choose here a column, and you can number the group to display per page. Like here I have given 30. There is option totals. You can change what you want. And in the style option, there is so many style. So here is option that is shaded, which highlight every row, which I appreciate. and there is so many options also, like folders. There is two options: show item inside folder, show all item without folder. And the item limit, you can limit this number of item to display. So I have given 30, only 30 item displayed on your page. If it is beyond 30, then it will show into the next page. So I have done my view editing, then I have to click on this OK, and it will redirect you to the library. You can see that it is showing like the resource type. You can see here it is only document resource type you can see in this library. Here is a view, you can see it is document only view is I am using here. If I want to change this, then I can change from all documents. There is two view, all documents and documents only. If I want to make it change, then I have to click on this all document and it will show the all documents. And if I want to change it in documents only, then only document resource type is showing in this display in this window. So if you found this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.